Now, how do you support yourself while studying? In the US, the visa rules are quite strict. For your first year, you can usually only work on campus, like in the library or cafeteria. These jobs are competitive and they typically pay between $12 to $15 an hour, which is approximately 1,099 to 1,374 rupees. In France, you have more freedom. You are allowed to work off campus right away. You can work in retail, tutoring, or service. As of January 2026, the minimum wage SMIC is 12.02 euro per hour, which is approximately 1300 rupees. If you work the allowed 20 hours a week, you can usually cover your groceries and a good portion of your rent. By the way, if you want the full breakdown on part-time work, we have a dedicated video with a student living in France right now. They cover everything from the best websites to find jobs to exactly how much you can earn. I have linked the video right here and in the description below.